So now we're going to build into the low back some strengthening. And so really a good one just to start with is just to lift up your knee and out, lifting up your knee, lifting up your knee, kicking out, even just slightly. You're going to start to feel some strengthening in that low back. It doesn't have to be big motions, just lifting up, lengthening, back up and back down, lifting up, out, up and back down. And you will start to feel your abs and your core getting stronger, especially if you've dealt with chronic pain for a long time. You got to build that core.